is escape velocity? Imagine a cannon shooting upwards in the sky. You will notice that it goes up to a certain height and falls. Let's try again. One more time, but with a lot more power. If somehow we can manage to shoot the cannon with very high velocity so that the body escapes Earth's gravity, then this velocity is known as escape velocity. Or in other words, the minimum velocity which a body must have in order to escape the gravitational attraction potential of a planet is known as escape velocity. Consider a planet like Earth. Escape velocity is different for different planets depending upon the gravitational pull, which is a function of mass of the planet and its radius. Let's assume that we have to launch a rocket into space from any planet. Consider the mass of the planet is equal to m. Radius of the planet is equal to r. Mass of the rocket is equal to small m. Potential energy of rocket on surface of planet is minus g m upon r. Here, the negative sign implies that the force is attractive in nature. Also, potential energy of the system is always negative. At the time of the rocket launch, the kinetic energy on the rocket is equal to half mv squared. Let's call this equation 2. Comparing the two equations gives us the minimum velocity required to overcome the potential energy of the planet. That is, escape velocity is equal to square root of 2 gm by r. From this relation, we can note that the escape velocity is independent of the mass of the rocket. It only depends on the mass and the radius of the planet. Therefore, a rocket having minimum velocity equal to or greater than escape velocity, then it will follow a curved path and will escape the gravitational pull of Earth. However, if the rocket is launched with the velocity less than escape velocity, then it will fall back on Earth due to gravity.